everyone, in this video I'm going to unbox this Amazon 16-watt speaker. So now it's in front of me, and as you can see, it's the packaging box. It looks great, I would say. Yeah, it's pretty sturdy and safe. I'm going to open it from here because as you can see, here's a paper tape sort of. So slowly we're gonna open it. So I think I should just insert it directly into it. Yeah, it's pretty perfectly packed, I would say. Yeah, so it's about opened. So now we have some stuff to provide it security. It's very heavy. I can feel it. Also, it's very tight fitted. So it's nothing, just some stuff like that, and a bill which I'll leave it in this box. So here is our main package. So here, as you can see, it's a very simple box, and it's an Amazon basic sound bar. It's a 5.3 Bluetooth version, and it comes with an aux input, and we'll see what inside this box. So currently here we can read some of its features like ASI number, name of the commodity. So here its name, Amazon Basics Bluetooth soundbar. Net quantity, it's all obvious, it's 1 unit. Contents: 1 soundbar, 1 charging cable, 1 aux cable, 1 user manual, and MRP is written on here. Month and year of manufacturing: January 2025. So it's manufactured in January. Manufactured by you can see on okay, as you can see on screen, basically it's manufactured by this company, and it's located in Delhi, and marketed and contacted by this whatever. Just directly open the box. Apart from this, there is nothing else to share with you. Here you can see it's a very simple tape, and I'm just going to open it, and let's see what bar we received from Amazon. Here is something, as you can see. Okay, so here is our speaker. Great, nothing else, just a bar, a user manual, and an aux cable with a charging cable. Okay, so it's a TRS cable, which is also known as double pole or two pole 3.5 mm male to male cable. It's very short. I would say if it would be around 1 meter, it would be great. Here is a type C charging cable, but I'll charge it from my mobile phone charger because if I use this, I have to use a separate adapter. So here we have this Amazon Basic sound bar. It looks great, and also it comes with these I would say bottom rubber, and they are basically seems like a double-sided tape, but they are not, they are rubber. And here we have some details related to this product, Amazon Basics. It's a name and model number and some of other details, manufactured by XYZ. And here is, as you can see, it's a grill. It seems good. I don't know from which material it has been built. So here we have a USB input, here is a aux input, and here is a TF card input, here is a charging input. And okay, it's a great thing I have seen in this bar that you have an headphone option here as well. I think they are for hanging on a wall, so they are great, but I'm not gonna hang it on any wall. So here we have power on off button. It's for mode changing button, like you want to switch aux mode, Bluetooth mode, pen drive mode, TF mode, etc. Here is a play pause, and here is the next and previous button. They are great. Here it's a separate Bluetooth button. I do not know why. We're just going to on it, or I would say power it. Okay, so we have this button to power it. Okay, so this was the sound. we get from this Amazon soundbar. It seems great. And let me pair this from my mobile. So let's just open Bluetooth and search for this device and see how long it's gonna take. So okay, there is a device in my phone. So it paired as you heard the notification, and now we're gonna play a song which is obviously copyright free. So there is a copyright free song I'm going to play and see how the output, and after that we'll talk about other specifications of this device.
You realize deep breath under the surface, and like a fire needs coal and the fire needs. This is your goal that makes it all worth it. This is your wall, this is your goal. Let's go. Boss can keep you down, pushing deep until you drown, or they can keep you up strong, focused on the now. Glass half full, or has it been emptied out? Well, that's all up to you and your mind. Do you doubt anything, everything, not a thing? Make my thoughts work.
So this was somehow it sounds, and I'm gonna look at how these keys work. So just
Manifest what I need, what I want.
okay, it works. I just paused this song with this button. I'm gonna play it from this button again.
What I see, I could be any.
Yeah, it works, but there's a, I would say, problem. I feel like it seems like inside of this bar rather than a little bit, I would say, it should be a little bit out of this bar. It seems like it's a part of this bar layer rather than, but no problem, it works well. Now here we have other keys, and if we press on this button, I believe the song will definitely gonna change, and this is how I'm going to show you how it works. So let's just press this button. What happens? Okay, nothing happens. Okay, there is just some voice control message show. Okay, here it works as a voice lower and to increase and decrease. So as you can see, as I press this button, you can see on my phone screen that it's get lower. Yeah, and now I'm going to press this button. It changed. Like, I'm not gonna play this song. It's so I got to know one more thing, that if I press it a little bit hard, it gonna change the song. Yeah, let's, I do not know that was a copyright free or not, no problem. And so just, and if I play it normally, as you can see, it works as a volume controller, but if I press it a little bit longer, it changes the song, it changes whatever media we are playing. So let's just see. Yeah, it works. Great. And what is this? Bluetooth. Yeah, it's Bluetooth. So let's just play it. Great. So let's just try to play it with the aux mode. So I'm going to connect my phone with the aux. Simply just plug it here, the aux, because aux is also an important, yeah, as you can hear the notification sound as I plugged it in my my bar. You definitely may have heard the song. And now we're gonna see that if there is a need to change the mode, or if it directly changes when we connect it with the aux. I believe it's connected with aux, and now I'm gonna press it this Bluetooth button. Okay, yeah, now as you can see on my phone screen, and now it's connected with Bluetooth, and now it's via aux. And let's see what's the difference between this Bluetooth button. Okay, I do not know, and I think there is no need to press this button so much. And there are other, I would say, options available in this bar, which is a pen drive option we're gonna test right now. Now we have connected our phone via Bluetooth, via aux, and now it's a pen drive. I'm gonna it's a very delicate. Let's see whether it's work or not, because the pen drive itself is not a okay, no problem, it's not working in it. No problem, it's not working, because if it does it, it will show instantly lights and something indication. But now okay, it works as you can see. Oh my god, it has to stop. They were all non-copyright music, I would say copyrighted music, but now it works. If I change the mode, I believe it's gonna be Bluetooth version. Yes, now it's gonna pen drive. Okay, it works well. So just remove this pen drive. So that's great. Overall, I would say it's a great package. And if we talk about bass, there is no separate I would say bass. There comes with other speaker I saw with the bass holes. I do not know right now what to call them, that surround the give the punchy sound, but it has
Get my head straight, I need a drink of water. It's been days I've had a headache.
it has inside of it whatever it has. But yeah, it's a great option in such a low price, because it comes with a 1 year warranty, 16-watt output, and you can charge it. You have this audio input, and let me test this in this video as well. Let's just play this song, and I'm gonna plug my earphones. So here I brought my headphones, so I'm gonna play and plug this into my headphone, and I'll tell you whether it's working or not.
One day feel like I regret things. I want my story.
It's worked. You can hear that, and it's a great. And you can change modes. Still you change the mode, but it doesn't affect the headphone input. It seems like that the buttons are about to get into the bar because of the manufacturing quality, but no problem if it gets something wrong with it. We have a 1 year coverage, extra coverage I would say, because 1 year from brand, and I bought a 1 year from extra coverage from Amazon, which is also showing beneath of the product. Well, it's a good package for me, I would say. You all like the product, and we're gonna remove this. Here's our mobile, here is our Bluetooth speaker, and let's listen the output last time.
Never last, so I'll be patient but attacked every day like it's my last. Push the pedal to the gas, burn the fuel that I have, start a fire, light a match. I ain't never looked in your feet.
So this is the maximum volume, and I'm gonna see one more thing right here, that is volume booster. How volume booster works with this. So I have a volume booster in my phone, and I'm gonna test it right now. Okay, so now our volume booster is working well. This is without volume booster, and now I'm gonna so yes, volume booster also works on this bar. The good thing I believe that this bar has is that it does not have an RGB light, because RGB light is something which I hate the most. It consumes battery if it has the RGB light, but it has no RGB lights. That's a good point of view. I believe it's gonna work well because it comes with a 2000 mAh battery, and I would say there is no specific mention on the box related to the battery details. And if I am trying to find it on its manual. So aux we have checked aux, TF card short, so I do not have any TF card right now, so no problem. Indicator, microphone, it has also microphone buttons we have seen, speakers we have seen, type C charging port, obviously it will working. I'm not gonna charge it right now. USB port. Okay, one more thing I am gonna see right now, that how much is the battery percentage. It has 50% of battery percentage currently with came from brand. Power button we have seen, type C to USB A cable, type C to USB A cable, yes we receive. Aux cable, yes. Bluetooth button, yes. And let's just see what's the working of Bluetooth button. And no problem, but it works well, because I bought this just because it does not come with a RGB light, and it's, I believe, a great advantage, because I also have a GoVo 16-watt speaker which has a RGB lights and sort of a bass, a whole bass hole which gives bass, I would say. Also, one more thing, that I have removed these LED lights from my Go speaker because they were consuming battery, and I feel that after removing these LED lights from my Go speaker, it works well, it works great, and the battery backup increased. And I also suggest, and I won't recommend you to remove these without watching tear down tutorials. And it was a good package I received in such a price. It's not too much bulky, and also it comes with great these buttons options to control it, because in my GoVo speaker there is only I would say 4 control buttons. If you guys want a comparison video, I will definitely gonna make, and I'll tell you the difference. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 buttons. I haven't understand its usage right now, but yeah, it works well, because they give a separate button to change mode, separate button to power on off. Also, there is a headphone option, which is a great, I would say, I've seen first time in speakers, and it's from Amazon, and I believe their services are great. Also, there I believe inside they have the bass radiators, apart from in an open space here, or the top surface of this bar. It's a good they give it inside, because in my Go speaker here there is a lot of dust, I would say, have been gone into it, but here it's plain, it's great. I believe this video will help the anyone who wants to buy this speaker. And I bought this in great festival days, and I believe you all will find it useful. And I do not know what are these two shades, but no problem. It works great. Absolutely fantastic deal for me, because I need 2 speakers, and that's all. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, you can give it a like, and if you want to ask any question, then comment down your question. I will definitely try to answer your comments. Also, I will provide the Best Buy link in the description box. Thank you very much.